Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my Encourager Classic Happy Planner that I use for social media planning, and I'm going to be using the Botanicals sticker book. So this is a 2020 planner, and I did go ahead and redate. So we're planning for the week of December 2nd through the 8th, and I kind of want to show you guys how you can use any sticker book and any sticker combination regardless of the background colors on your spread. So I did go ahead and pre-choose some stickers, and I want to use kind of these florals and then these colors out of the Botanical sticker book. So let's see how this turns out not using colors that match the page. So let's see, I want to start with this Be Wonderful sticker down here in my Random Acts of Kindness section. So we'll just cover this. Okay, and then I kind of want to do the same thing that I did for last week and just kind of cover up the bottom of the spread, like the bottom section. I did this in my vertical layout. And then I'll just kind of try to write around stuff as best as I can. But I just kind of want to fill in this whole section with some decor. So let's see how this turns out. I like this quote that says, "Be in love with life." And I apologize for my voice, guys. I do have a cold. Today is Monday, the 25th that I'm filming, and I've been trying to do my filming on Saturdays, but I woke up Friday with a cold and I sounded awful. I didn't feel good, so I tried to hold off as long as I could in hopes that my voice would sound better, but it doesn't, so I apologize for that. And I cannot get this sticker straight to save my life. I might just have to say whatever and go with it. But I'm just not feeling so good today, so bear with me as I struggle through this. I just know that a lot of you guys, you look forward to seeing my videos, so I couldn't not have videos for you. And hopefully by the time you watch this, I will be much better. I think that sticker's still crooked, but I'm over it. I'm just going to go with it. So then I want to take these flowers and put down in this corner. I do like to save this bottom section because I put my YouTube and Instagram stats. So that is one thing, that is a definite that I like to keep open. The rest of it I can kind of work around my decor to put my plans in. So then this quote matches the florals, and it says, "Live life and forget your age." So let's try to put that, I think I want to put it over this black line. So let me grab my jelly roll and just kind of get rid of this dark black line here so it doesn't obscure my letters in my quote. See if I got enough of it. Need to do a little bit more. Okay, so we'll wait on that to dry. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I do kind of decorate in a simplistic way. So I don't use a whole lot of boxes and decor. I do like to have room to write on my pages. So I'm just going to put a couple of boxes in here, and then this spread will pretty much be done. So let's see if I can line this up. I like the grid lines in this section because it makes it a lot easier to line up your stickers. So the jelly roll does take away a lot of the dark black line there, but you can see a little bit of it. But it definitely helps to not take away from the letters that are in the quotes. Then I wanted to take these flowers. I thought it would be cute to kind of surround my boxes. So I think I might kind of put this box in between these two sections here. I do need to white out these pink lines. So let's go ahead and white those out. I don't like seeing the lines behind my boxes. And then I thought we could just kind of take this flower and lay alongside here. So I'm going to kind of cut this flower. I'm going back to my old ways where I cut flowers. But the Botanical sticker book doesn't have a whole lot of these flower stickers. So I do kind of want to make them go as far as I can. And then you can see the pink lines, through these flowers, but I don't think it looks too terrible. So that's cute there. Now I do have this piece left over, and I'll try to use it somewhere else. And then I thought it would be cute just to come in with some of these little blue, like they're not half boxes, maybe like quarter size boxes, and maybe stagger them over here. Need to get rid of that black line behind there. And I found these cute little today, kind of like little banners that I thought would be cute up here in the corner. Yeah, that's cute. And then maybe, where should I put this flower? Maybe I'll put the rest of it right here. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, so now let's move to the other side and kind of do the same thing. So we're going to put this one, I like it on Monday, because Mondays, like I said before, Mondays are my productive days when I'm not sick. And I'm trying to move that to Saturday, but I've only got that accomplished one time. So we're going to leave it on Monday for now. So I do like to have a longer box or a longer list for my Mondays. And then I'm going to take this flower and cut it just like I did the other one. We're going to lay it along the edge. That's cute. And then I'm going to save that piece, and we're going to come in with the blue the same as we did on the other side. So I think I'm going to lay this one down here. Or do I want to do it the same exact way? I don't want it to be exactly the same. So I'm going to white out this line behind it. I do like my pages to look very similar, but I don't like them to be like identical. So I don't want everything matching the same direction and all that. So let's get my little today sticker put up here in the corner. And that's crooked. Now I need to put these flowers somewhere. I think I'm going to put them down here. Yes, I like this. Okay, so I actually used all the stickers that I pre-chose. So I think this turned out really cute, and I think it still looks pretty even though there is a lot of pink already on the spread. I think it all goes together still. So don't let the background colors on your spread fool you. You can make a pretty spread and use stickers that don't exactly match or don't match at all. So let's go ahead and put this back in my planner. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Again, I do apologize that I am under the weather and not my normal self today, and I do sound funny, but it happens. So here's what it looks like. I hope you guys have a great week. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would please consider. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell so you don't miss all the notifications when I upload. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.